Hi all, today I'm going to talk about tools and chemicals that I like to use on the job to make it more effective, take less time, and protect the items that I'm actually trying to clean and not damage. Here are some important factors to understand. It's important to use obviously the right products on our surface. I generally don't say I'll bleach everything or use one general item or brush or specific tool all over the place because it could cause damage, like I said, or just be completely inappropriate and not achieve effective clean, take more time, be more frustrating. Who wants that? Generally, I'll include a list of tools that I do like to use between some small toothbrush-like brushes that are very handy, some plastic and also metal scrapers that are essential for getting out certain little things, and flat mops and microfiber cloths and other things like that that help cut down cleaning time and make everything look sparkling and nice. And it's also really important to understand CHAT, C-H-A-T. That stands for chemical, heat, agitation, and time. If you understand that ratio, you can use it to your benefit. For example, if you increase one of the elements, like chemical, you can usually decrease the rest of them, that being heat, agitation, and time. And vice versa, if you allow something to sit with time appropriate for the chemical you're using to clean, then you can usually decrease agitation, rubbing the thing, chemical or heat. So any one increase is going to usually decrease the majority of the rest. If they're all too high increased or too decreased, then you're probably not going to get the results you want, and you probably could have irreversible damage. Nobody wants that to happen. So just to keep those handy. Again, caution around people, pets, and plants, and using proper cloths and things like that to buff out streaks and mirrors saves tons of time instead of trying to overspray a chemical and wipe it all down again. It's just needless. Lastly, it's great to have tools close by and work in a clockwise manner, top to bottom and left to right, instead of working by object, like okay, all wood, okay, all metal, and okay, all glass. It just makes it more effective. You don't tend to miss things by trying to go around the room with too many steps. You just work evenly around and finished. So I hope those tips help. Certainly adults or kids can take advantage of those with, obviously with supervision and things like that and guidance, and make the cleaning way less stressful. Thank you.